Top 3 Air Sanitizers for 2020 by Susan Best. Let's start with the list. Number 1, Germ Guardian True HEPA Filter Air Purifier. 5" -1 air purifier for home. Electrostatic HEPA media air filter reduces up to 99.97% of harmful germs, dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns from the air. Pet Pure Filter, an antimicrobial agent is added to the filter to inhibit the growth of mold, mildew and odor-causing bacteria on the filter's surface. Kills germs. UVC light helps kill airborne viruses such as influenza, staph, rhinovirus, and works with titanium dioxide to reduce volatile organic compounds. Traps allergens. Pre-filter traps dust, pet hair, and other large particles while extending the life of the HEPA filter. Reduces odors. Activated charcoal filter helps to reduce unwanted odors from pets, smoke, cooking fumes, and more. Ultra-quiet mode. Ultra-quiet sleep mode with a programmable timer helps you get a good night's rest with cleaner air. Settings. Choose between 3 speed settings and an optional UVC light. Number 2, Silver Onyx Air Purifier for home with True HEPA filter. Air purifier for allergies and pets. True HEPA H13 charcoal filter captures 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns such as airborne pollutants, pet dander, pollen, dust mites, mold spores, odors, and household dust. 5 levels of powerful filtration. This model features 5 levels advanced filtration to provide the cleanest air quality. A combination filter cartridge includes a mesh pre-filter, HEPA H13 activated carbon filter, plus a UV light and ion generator work to sanitize the air even further. True HEPA filtration. High-quality air purifier with True HEPA H13 filter captures 99.97% of dust and allergens up to 0.3 microns including ultrafine dust, smoke, pet dander, etc. Clean Air Ionizer. The Silver Onyx HEPA air purifier with ionizer, UV sanitizer, and activated carbon filter. The world's best air purification technologies to provide the freshest air. A PM2.5, particulate matter, sensor automatically adjusts airflow to ensure the highest quality air. Number 3, InvisiClean Aura 2 Air Purifier. Get relief from allergies, eliminates common allergy triggers including dust mites, pollen, and pet dander. Best-in-class performance and energy saving, utilizes low EMF radiation DC motor to deliver double the air output using up to 82% less electricity than other air purifiers in its class. Easily covers medium to large rooms up to 319 square feet. Cadre rating, 170 CFM. Complete filtration and germ disinfection. Easily replaceable H13 99.985% True HEPA filter and activated carbon pre-filter with optional ionizer and disinfecting UVC light. Whisper quiet and effective, quiet at low speed and turbo mode for maximum air cleaning. For more info on the products mentioned, visit the links in the video description below.